Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about how to put home button on screen on iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. The modern versions of iPhone, especially the ones with all-screen design, have ditched the iconic Touch ID button. Instead of the home button, Apple has added a home bar that works like a charm in letting you quickly go to the home screen. While the home bar is pretty good, many iPhone owners who have upgraded from the classic iPhones would want to get the home button back. If you're one of them, let me show you how to put the home button on screen on iPhone 14 the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down a bit and select Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor section, you have to tap on Touch. Then you have to tap on Assistive Touch that is located at the top of the screen. After that, you have to turn on the toggle for Assistive Touch. Under Custom Action section, tap on Single Tap and finally choose Home and you are good to go. From now onwards, you can quickly go to the home screen by just tapping on the Assistive Touch icon just like this. It is worth pointing out that this feature works even on older iPhone models like iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11, so you can make the most of this cool tip to get the home button back even on your older iPhone models. That's pretty much done. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.